Once again, it's number 2, Khalid Hamlin. He bounces between the tackles for a gain of a couple down to about the 38-yard line.
I ain't buying you another.
Number 85, David Jones, there to make the stop.
How many things fell?
He didn't drop his football. He didn't drop his cup.
Call it a gain of a yard, 2nd down and 9.
I can't get it. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone.
Number 12, William Collins Jr. finds some room between the tackles and takes it down to the Chief 23-yard line. Number 1, G. Ross makes the stop for the Chiefs, but they will remove the chains. It'll be 1st and 10, Skyhawks.